Have you ever noticed that the Korean you hear in K-dramas, YouTube comments, or on the streets of Seoul sounds completely different from your textbook? That is because the language changes fast. Some Korean slang comes and goes quickly, while other expressions stick around for years. Knowing which words people still use today can help you sound more natural. Today, we're exploring some of the most popular Korean slang and internet buzzwords of 2026. We will unlock the exact words Gen Z and Alpha used to text, joke, and chat online. By the end of this video, you will understand internet commands more easily. You will also look like a total insider next time you chat with your Korean friends. Let's look at how modern Korean is changing right now. Korean is a language built for speed. Because typing on a smartphone needs to be fast, young Koreans love to shorten everything. In the past, people often shortened common expressions, using words like 여친 instead of 여자친구, girlfriend, or 생축 instead of 생일 축하해, happy birthday. But in 2026, slang is much more creative. People combine English words, create new expressions, and blend words together to make fun and memorable phrases. Understanding these words is like learning a secret code. Once you know the patterns, it starts to make sense. Let's break down the biggest categories. If you're scrolling through Instagram comments, watching your favorite YouTubers, or chatting with Korean friends, you will see these words everywhere. Instead of just saving time, using these abbreviations help you match the playful energy of native speakers, sound way less like a textbook, and express very specific ideas quickly. First up is 오운완. This stands for 오늘 운동 완료, which means today's workout is complete. You'll see all over fitness posts and gym selfies. After a workout, people often post a picture with the hashtag 오운완 to celebrate getting their exercise done for the day. Next is 내돈 내산. This stands for 내 돈 주고 내가 산, which literally means I bought it with my own money. People use this when reviewing a product to show that they paid for it themselves and weren't sponsored. For example, 이거 내 돈 내산 후기예요. This is a review of something I bought myself. Let's try one more. 알잘딱깔센. This is a popular internet expression and is still widely understood today. It basically means do it smartly, properly, and neatly without needing detailed instructions. Here is the breakdown of the phrase it comes from. 알아서, on your own. 잘, well, smartly. 딱, exactly, precisely. 깔끔하게, neatly. 센스 있게, with good judgment and sense. Instead of giving a long explanation, someone might simply say, 알잘딱깔센 부탁해. Please handle it perfectly with your own good judgment. Now, let's talk about the words dominating Korean social media and online culture. One of the biggest is 갓생. This combines the English word 갓 with the Korean word 생, meaning life. It describes living a productive, disciplined, and healthy lifestyle. If you wake up early, study Korean, exercise regularly, and stay organized, you're living a 갓생. People often say, 우리 올해는 갓생 살자. Let's live a productive life this year. Another common word from gaming and internet culture is 억까. This means unfairly criticizing someone or experiencing bad luck for no reason. If you walk outside on a sunny day and it instantly starts pouring rain, you can say, 와, 오늘 날씨 나한테 억까하네. Wow, the weather is totally targeting me today. Sometimes, standard vocabulary cannot express how shocked, happy, or amazed you are. That is where emotional slang comes in. To express extreme shock or when something goes completely wrong, Koreans use 멘붕. This is short for mental breakdown. It perfectly describes that feeling when your mind goes completely blank from stress. Imagine you just dropped your phone and the screen completely shattered. You turn to your friend and say, 나 지금 완전 멘붕이야. I'm totally losing my mind right now. When something is incredibly cool or beautiful, you will hear the word 대박. But the modern upgrade is 폼 미쳤다. This literally means their form is crazy. It's used when someone performs exceptionally well, looks amazing, or does something highly impressive. If your favorite idol delivers an incredible performance, fans might comment, 와, 오늘 무대 폼 미쳤다. Today's performance is insane. Before we look at a real conversation using these words, if you want to master casual Korean and sound truly natural, make sure to check out our complete learning membership. We provide guided lessons and pronunciation tools to build your conversational confidence fast. Now, let's see how a real chat sounds when we put these trendy words together. Let's look at a text conversation between two friends, 민지 and 진호. Listen closely to the slang. 진호야, 오늘 골프 연습 갔다 왔어? 응, 오후 난 인증샷 올렸어. 오늘 내 스윙 폼 미쳤다. 와, 대박. 너 요즘 진짜 갓생자는구나. 응, 새 골프 장갑 샀는데 내 돈 내산이야. 헐, 진짜? 사진 보여줘. 근데 비 와서 다 젖었어. 날씨가 억까하네. See how naturally these expressions appear in everyday conversations? They are short, expressive, and commonly used online and among friends. Slang is incredibly fun, but it comes with a major safety warning. You should mainly use these expressions with friends, classmates, co-workers you know well, or people around your age. Never use these terms with your boss, your teachers, or people you meet for the first time. If you use slang like 폼 미쳤다 or 억까 to a senior coworker, it can sound unprofessional and disrespectful. Stick to standard polite Korean informal settings and save the slang for casual hangouts. To help you lock these terms into your memory, I want to hear from you. Which of today's slang words best describes your life right now? Are you living a total 갓생, got life? Or is the weather out there completely 억까, unfairly targeting you today? Drop your answer in the comments below using one of our new words. Mastering modern slang takes time, and the best way to learn is through immersion. When you watch Korean YouTube videos, scroll through Instagram, or browse online communities, pay attention. You'll start noticing these words everywhere. Do not worry about memorizing every single slang word at once. Just focus on the ones that match your personality and enjoy recognizing them in real-life content. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep studying hard, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson. 감사합니다.